Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Indian English Mission School, Morningside. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, buzzword in 7 discussions. So let's see our today's class Junior 1, subject English, topic buzzword in 7 discussions, term annual. Lecture 17, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, everyone, open this book, New Success with Buzzword, Communicative English for Schools, Primer 2, and go to page number 50, Unit 7. Okay, almost balloons. This is our unit today. So look at the picture, listen to your teacher, read the sentences after your teacher. You can see in the picture there is a man, a lot of balloons, different colors. Balloons, balloons, red balloons, green balloons, yellow balloons, blue balloons. The salesman is shouting, "Give me a balloon, please," the boy says. And the boy is Amor. "Please give me a rupee," the salesman says. We're going to next page, page number 51. "Here is a rupee," Amor says. And the salesman says, "Here is a balloon." Okay. So this is a red balloon. This is a red balloon. I want a blue balloon. So Amor wants a blue balloon. Okay. Here is a blue balloon for you. Amor says, "Thank you." Go to next page, boys. We're going to page number 52. This is Amor. Amor is happy. He is laughing. Oh, the balloon is flying away. You can see in the picture. The balloon is flying away. That's why Amor is crying. Up, up, up. Amor is crying. We're moving to next page, page number 53. "Don't cry, little boy. There is another balloon for you. Another blue balloon." Amor is happy again. The balloon man is happy. They are laughing. Okay. So, complete the sentences with the words. There are words in the given. Balloon, blue, crying, flying, laughing, rupee. So this is Amor. This is a rupee. This is a red balloon, typewriter balloon. Amor wants a dash balloon. This is a blue balloon. The balloon is flying away, flying. Amor is crying in the picture. Now Amor is laughing because Amor has a balloon now. So next page, page number 55. "Give me a balloon. Give me a balloon, please," Amor says. "Please give me a rupee," the balloon man says. "Here is a rupee. Here is a balloon," the balloon man says. So, a jar of jam. What is the picture about? A jackal, a fridge, a judge, a jeep. So, jar, jam, jeep, jaw, jackal, jot, just, fridge, monos, jaw sound in English. Okay, "My red balloon," there is a poem. Let us read the poem. My red balloon, flies high, flies high, flies high. I jumped up high to catch the sky, but couldn't catch it. Why? My red balloon, flies high, flies high, flies high. Okay, boys, so that's all for today, our Unit 7 discussion, buzzword. So my dear students, read at home again and again. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.